Hello friends, welcome to LabMonk's YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss about a career option, biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is one of the booming careers where health and technology has revolutionized the medical sector. In India, healthcare consciousness is increasing, for which biomedical engineering has become one of the desirable and demanding careers. So before taking this subject as a career option, there are several questions coming to our mind. Like, is this a good option as a career? What problems do biomedical engineers solve? What is the scope of biomedical engineering? What subjects do you need to become a biomedical engineer? Are our biomedical engineers well paid? What is the average salary in India and in other countries? What problems do biomedical engineers face? So, friends, today we'll discuss all these questions in this video. Before proceeding this video, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications while such informative videos will be uploaded. So biomedical engineers cooperate with doctors and researchers to develop medical systems, devices and equipment that solve all clinical problems. Biomedical engineers create not only devices and equipment but also computer systems and software used in the healthcare sector. To be an efficient biomedical engineer, the aspirant needs careful measuring and analyzing skills, an eye for the perfect design, and the capability to sympathize with the patients, good communication skills, and teamwork skills. What problems exactly do biomedical engineers solve? The answer to this question is another question. What a biomedical engineer do not do? Biomedical engineers work in academic institutions, government agencies, various other industries. Some also design, manufacture, and test mechanical devices like prosthetics, orthotics, while others design computer software and electrical circuits for medical instruments. These medical instruments mainly include X-rays, computerized tomography, MRI, small devices like cochlear implants, and drug infusing pumps. Other than that, biomedical engineers have solved so many other issues like biomedical engineers use physics, chemistry, and mathematical models and some computer simulations to develop new drug therapy. Uh, Biomedical engineers have made considerable advancements in understanding how the body functions and how the whole biological system functions. Biomedical engineers are also building artificial organs such as knees, hips, valves, and living tissues to replace the failing organs. For this, biomedical engineers use physics and chemistry to develop durable materials that are easily compatible with biological environment. Biomedical engineers are also working on the development of wireless technologies that helps patients and doctors do healthy communication even if they are miles away. They are also involved in the rehabilitation sector where they design walkers, exercising equipment. Biomedical engineers are also solving cellular and molecular issues, creating nanotechnology and micro machines for repairing damages inside the cell and changing gene function. What is the scope for biomedical engineering in India? The huge advancement of technology in biomedical engineering will change the job profile of biomedical engineers. It will also keep on creating several new working areas. Hence, there is a requirement of converting the expanding activities range from biomedical engineers into some of the best job prospects. Furthermore, the retirement of the fast aging population of biomedical engineers will result in big job openings by 2024. It is expected that employment of biomedical engineers will grow at a rate of 7% by 2026. There are huge opportunities for students who are pursuing a course in biomedical science in India. Where should I choose biomedical engineering? There are several reasons. You should choose biomedical engineering right from exciting opportunities in your career to developing life-saving technology. When you choose to study biomedical engineering, it does not limit you to a specific subject in the biomedical industry. There are several areas that you can select to do specializations such as biomechanics, biomaterials, rehabilitation engineering. High demand for biomedical engineers. There is a high demand for biomedical engineers, fueled by an aging population and a low birth rate in some developing countries. Important handy skills. Studying biomedical engineering equipments you with several transferable skills that employers various industries highly require. Some of these skills are attention to detail, communication, analytical skills, teamwork, etc. Huge opportunities. When you choose biomedical engineering, it doesn't limit you to any one career path, but with the idea of genomics and computing, you can work in various industries in various professions. By choosing a career in biomedical engineering, you can assist in developing some of the best devices, have a great impact on our whole world. Is biomedical engineering is a good course? Yes, biomedical engineering is a good course as biomedical engineers hitch their creativity to shape tomorrow's world. Biomedical engineers have a great hand in advancing human health, engineering the best medicine, making tools of innovation and some scientific discovery, and using the power of biological processes for helping the planet. What subjects do you need to become a biomedical engineer? Biomedical engineers require much knowledge of both biologics as well as engineering. Many colleges offer undergraduate, doctor, and postgraduate degrees in biomedical engineering. Here are some courses. Diploma courses. Diploma in biomedical engineering. Undergraduate courses. The duration of this course is 4 years. The courses are BTech in biomedical engineering, BSc in biomedical engineering, BE in biomedical engineering, Bachelor of Technology in biomedical instrumentation, Bachelor of Technology in biotechnology and biochemical engineering. Postgraduate courses, the durations usually 2 years. The courses are MTech in biomedical engineering, MSc in biomedical engineering, MS in biomedical engineering, ME in biomedical engineering, Master of Engineering in biochemical engineering and biotechnology, Master of Technology in biomedical signal processing and instrumentation, Master of Technology in biomedical instrumentation. Suppose you are thinking of pursuing a career in biomedical engineering and apply a master degree. In that case, you have a bachelor degree in biomedical engineering or any such equivalent branches and have a valid GATE qualification. In India that offer a course in biomedical engineering are National Institutes of Technology Rourkela, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Career scope and companies organization offering jobs. After completing a course in biomedical engineering, you can get employed in both the public and corporate sectors. You can start your career in hospitals, healthcare centers, and clinics. As a research engineer, you can work in research field. The job opportunities in the research field are also very big. There are various opportunities in industries for innovation, design, and development of new technologies. People with MS or PhD degrees can work in research institutions as biomedical engineers. Those with a bachelor degree can work with any government organization. Several institutions abroad, along with medical device consultancy firms, offer some of the best opportunities. Some of the vital sectors where biomedical engineer can get employment are agricultural sector, healthcare sector, food producing industry, biomedical software developing firms. The topmost recruiters of biomedical engineering are Philips Healthcare, Johnson& Johnson, Siemens Healthcare, Stryker. Are our biomedical engineers well paid? What is the average salary in India and other countries? Based on the job roles and skills, the pay scale of biomedical engineers differs, but they are well paid when compared with other careers in engineering sector. In addition to several benefits and perks, the starting salary of a biomedical engineer, in addition to several benefits and perks, the starting salary of a biomedical engineer in the private sector is in between 2.5 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Similarly, in the government sector, a biomedical engineer gets 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per year. It depends on the organization reputation and the skill of the person. With the increased inexperience and salary abroad, a biomedical engineer gets starting salary of $40,000 per annum. What problems do biomedical engineers face? The biomedical engineering sector faces several challenges as it mixes product development with medicine. These two are not always compatible. Engineers, patients, and doctors often find difficult to balance incentive, technology, and human part of medical care. R&D is expensive, for which biomedical engineers and medical students face limited resource availability. There are several problems that biomedical engineers face. Privacy of patent. Biomedical engineers often face challenge to maintain patent privacy. For instance, a researcher has to consider a patient's privacy while testing the medical equipment, designing artificial organs, developing blood sensors, and creating therapeutic methods for recovery from injury, creating advanced imaging devices, and testing the medical products for safety and effectiveness. It is not easy to access the medical devices as well as products without required patient data. Ethical problems. Biomedical engineers often face ethical issues. For example, stem cell research, artificial life, and synthetic biology make it possible for human beings to cheat or change a life. While advocates for inventive, progressive medical research encourage more testing, biomedical engineers have also convey their personal beliefs and ethical standards before moving in their career paths. Target sites. Biomedical engineers mainly discover several innovative ways to treat medical conditions, but it is difficult for them to target the human cells for treatment. Another issue is the high research cost and the cost of testing that patients and researchers rely on for new cures. Is biomedical engineering in demand? The job market for biomedical engineers look very much favorable because the foreseeable future. This employment growth is because of emerging technologies. With new latest technologies being available, there is a high potential to use them in the medical field. Like for instance, biomedical engineers can utilize 3D printing for several biomedical applications. This is a very small channel. Please like this video so that YouTube will understand that this channel exists. Do you like such videos? If yes, please comment below. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. More bioscience career related videos will be uploaded regularly. Please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.